How do you decide which direction to go in? Do we take just one path? If you want to be successful, do you have to dedicate yourself to just one thing? Are you meant to have only one niche? What if you like a few things? How do you combine your passions and actually make it work? Oh, I'm really trying to figure this out. I love yoga. I need yoga. I'm in love with painting. I need to create. I need yoga to help me stay physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually fit and healthy so that I can create. An artist needs to keep themselves healthy. It's really important to stay art fit. The last few months I've been working really hard, but I've also been bearing the weight of an enormous amount of difficult emotion. Fear of fire, anger, at pretty much everything, but mostly at myself, because I lost my faith. I lost my faith in my sense of safety and in my yoga practice. I felt really lost without it. Even though I have painting, it's my first love, and painting brings me light. Yoga's my spiritual path. They both are. I need them both. Well, thank goodness, painting and listening to Brett Larkin brought me back to yoga. I'm a member of Brett's Uplifted Yoga, and I was listening to the 8 Limbs of Yoga course, and I had to laugh because it honestly felt like the universe crept up beside me through those cracks where the light shines in and gifted me a beautiful kiss on the cheek. Oh, I am blessed with a deep alignment in my heart when I paint. Brett reminded me Sutra 2.32, the guiding principles, or niyamas, svadhyaya. I am here to fulfill a soul contract with my higher self. And ISVARA PRANIDHANA, surrendering to a higher purpose. I let go, I receive, I surrender. Trust, acceptance, prayer. Hearing Brett ask these questions, how do we point this body compass that we have in the direction of universal intelligence, source, or our higher self? And how can we live in alignment with what we were destined to do in this lifetime? Big questions. Well, if there's one thing that I do know above all else, it is that art is for me. It always has been. It is the language and the medicine I understand. And yoga is my art's beloved companion. So the answer to my own question, there are many paths, and it is okay to have more than one niche. To be successful, what does that even mean? Is your heart happy? Then you are successful.